Did you know porcupines aren't aggressive but have over 30,000 quills for defense? Stick around to learn more. Porcupines are fascinating creatures found in forests, deserts, and grasslands. Known for their sharp quills, these rodents don't shoot them, as myths suggest. Instead, their quills detach easily when predators get too close. Interestingly, porcupines are herbivores, feeding on leaves, bark, and fruits. They're also excellent climbers, often seen resting in trees. A fun fact: baby porcupines, called porcupets, are born with soft quills that harden within a few days. Nature's way of ensuring their safety. So, next time you see one, remember, porcupines are peaceful, but they're well prepared to defend themselves. Follow us for more amazing animal facts.